Thorpe Park. You either love it or you hate it. But who hates Thorpe Park? So here we go. Here's my ultra subjective Thorpe Park tier list. And if you don't like it, you should subscribe. And if you like it, you should subscribe to all my channels. Let's go. Number 1, High Striker. It's pretty simple. It's like Detonator, but for lamos. So that's not like a 2-year-old would want to go on. It's going in D, not for me, thank you very much. Saw the ride. Let's talk about Saw. Story is decent. The ride is good. If you've been to Thorpe Park, you'll know what I mean. As soon as you get into the main, inside area, there are a bunch of loud sounds that absolutely creep the hell out of me. Great ride, but that's enough to bring it down to that was great. Detonator. If I was going to Thorpe Park just for Detonator, I wonder, why is it always closed? Why is it always closed? If we're closed since the start of the season, it says it's for maintenance. Then why is it closed? Nah, not Z, because it's actually a decent ride when it's open. I'll say C. Rumba Rapids. Rumba Rapids. No, it doesn't go in Ultra Amazing. It's quite good, I have to say. Because, think about it. It's a nice, simple ride. I like it. The queue moves slower than you'd think. Yeah. It's Editor Alex here. Maybe I should have elaborated a bit more when saying, yeah. Yeah. That's about it. It says you will get wet, but you won't get wet, so false advertising brings it down from A to B. The Walking Dead. I've got to. No, I can't. I'm putting it in A. No, B. The pre-show is great. The ride is okay. But oh my god, when there are live actors, that gets scary. There were 2 when I last went, which was yesterday as of recording, which might be 2 days ago, but sometime. They jumped at me when I did it. It was scary. You know, it's a decent ride. Quite like it. Rush. Boy, it's good. I love Rush. Great thing. Absolutely great. Think about it. Think about the airtime. Think about the stupid tummy feeling. But the cycle is so short, it's literally over by the time I finish this sentence. For that, it gets an A, because it's one of their best flat rides. It's just super short. Depth charge. Who doesn't like depth charge? To be honest. It's like a water slide. A bit lower. You know, it's okay. Goes with Detonator. That's not it. The Swarm. If you didn't put that in S, then you do not go to Thorpe Park. You've never been there if you don't put that in S. So smooth, great ride elements. That's about it. Slow queue. Yeah, that's it. It's good. Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride. D. It's good, you know. Is it good enough? No, but it is like an all ages ride. Look, the tiered name describes it. I'll do it if I'm forced to. But only if I'm forced to. And also now that we're here, High Striker goes down there. Who likes High Striker? It's not even high. Big easy bumpers, I'm going to put in B because who doesn't like dodgems? It's advertised some really kid-friendly thing. But if you don't like big easy bumpers or just any bumper car dodgems, then something's wrong with you. Yeah, goes in B. I like it. Not as much as Samurai, that goes in A. Sometimes you get a good cycle. Sometimes you get a bad cycle. I've got quite good cycles, so that's why it goes in A. And if you disagree, I did clearly advertise it as the subjective Thorpe Park tier list. So if you disagree, just leave and subscribe while you're there. Dog Ball Tea Party. It's, I don't want to call it scary, but it's scarier than it looks. It's also scarier than you think. Yeah, that's about it. Good ride. Nothing else to say. Yeah. Doesn't deserve to go an S, but if you're sitting on the outside, you really do feel it. Quantum, that's going to go in B. Because, like, it's like Mr. Monkey's banana ride, just better. And if you think of Rush and Mr. Monkey's banana ride, and you put them together, you get Quantum. Also, can I just... I swear, Lost City spans the entire map. Quantum, Rush, and Samurai all use, like, the same font, and they're not even all in Lost City, those idiots. Zodiac. C. There's something weird about being strapped in a weird metal cage. And the fact that they named it after star signs, the most stupid thing in the world. I'm about to get cancelled. But it's an okay ride. Like a Ferris wheel, but you go upside down. Being strapped in the weird pod is weird. Hyperia. It would be rude not to. Actually, that's going to go there. It would be so rude not to. I mean, the airtime is amazing. And don't forget the £25 tiny Hyperia bags I wanted to buy, but then I realised that they were tiny. The airtime, it's great. The elements, it's great. The slipping out of your seat because it's only a lap bar is terrifying. I'm going to put it in Hyperia. Gonna put it in Asta. You got to. Tidal wave. A. I said remember rapids you don't get wet. And it said you will. This one it says you will get wet. You really will get wet. Yeah. It's boring because you go up a lift hill, you go round and then, well, this is the less boring bit. You go down. Yeah. It's fun if you're going to cool down. But definitely have £4 to use one of the wood drying pods, or bring a change of clothes, or bring a towel, or don't. I'm not going to tell you what you have to and don't have to do. Yeah, that goes up there. Yeah, I mean, When do you ever feel the stomach drop feeling without going up or down? You don't! That's why stealth is amazing. Yeah, it's super fun. It lasts less than Rush, if that's possible. But anyway, it's super fun. Worth, I'd say, up to a 45 or 50 minute wait. Or just use fast track if you want. Or don't. Flying fish. If I was being stupid, it would go up there. So I'll put it in B or C. I think this caption is misrepresentative. C is definitely waste of queuing time, but ride was nice. Well, there we go. And that definitely goes there, even though... Yeah, but this is again misrepresentative because it doesn't have a queue. Wouldn't bother walking here from other side of the island, but fun. There we go, that's it. Flying fish, yeah. Ghost Train Z is like never open. It's a bad ride. Only Friday night is good. So yeah, Z. Vortex. Boom, 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 boom. No. It's a bit like Samurai, just worse. Beta. Storm Surge. Who would have thought to make a huge water slide? And I love it. Definitely ate it. Colossus goes ass. It has to go ass. It has to go ass. It's such a good ride. It's a bit rough at times, but it's good. Yeah, I mean, it's rough at times, but good ride, good elements. The power of 10. Nemesis Inferno. I think that deserves to go A tier. It's not as good as Colossus or Hyperia or the Swarm or Stealth, but it's a nice ride. You don't get any stomach drop feeling, not much airtime, but there's still good ride elements. You still go fast. It's still really, really scary. And, you know, this is like my final Thorpe Park tier list. Tell me what you disagree with in the comments, or don't. It's up to you. Which ones do you agree with? Which ones do you not agree with? Make sure to like, subscribe. Yeah. Bye-bye.